work at NGF Europe Limited. I am a continuous improvement and digital transformation technician, and my role centers around data, cloud and IoT. I think it's amazing to be listed among some of the very talented individuals across UK manufacturing, and I feel very proud to be listed amongst them for my work and recognised, so it feels really amazing. I think the advances with cloud and IoT as a whole over the last 2 years have been a massive influence, and the big shift to hybrid working is definitely influencing all future manufacturing industries. So you're connecting to outside companies more and more as the concept of distance has completely gone out the window. I think when you come into manufacturing, going into cloud is always scary for everyone. So it was challenging starting everything from brownfield and having to build from the ground up. However, we're 3 years into our journey and taking really big strides as a company. I think a big concern for our company is the spiralling cost of energy. So to combat that, we've been implementing energy efficient ovens and machinery, and that has helped us a lot with becoming more sustainable for the future. I would say it's a great place to apply yourself and the skills that you've learned throughout your education or your vocational studies, and it provides so many different career paths, whether that's hands-on, office-based or a hybrid of the two, and like I've said, no 2 days have been the same for myself.